Hey kids, welcome back to Consome's Cooking Corner comment show, where I, Consomme Panchi, read your comments on my latest videos. Today we'll be checking out my latest video on yellow cake cinnamon swirl. First comment today is from Ness. Ness says, "Looks delicious. Like the end of music too." Thank you, Ness. I always make sure I can choose quality music for my videos. Next comment is from Athena. "This looks great. Keep up the great work. I always look forward to more videos on your cooking tutorials. Helps me a lot with my own cooking." Aw, that's great to hear, Athena. I'm always happy to hear that I can help inspiring chefs start their career in cooking. It's like I always say, anyone can cook. Next comment is from Brandon Pro 2000. He says, "You're a bad cook? Smiley face?" Well, I understand that's your opinion, random mister, but please try to be a bit nicer next time, okay? Next comment. Netcool says, "Teach better?"
Consomme?
What?
What's wrong?
Someone made fun of me in the comments today.
So, what's with the jackets?
It's armor to protect my heart from ever being hurt again.
That's not how it really works.
Oh yeah? Try it. Hit me.
I don't really want
Come on, punch me.
I don't know.
Come on, do it.
Oh, okay.
Here.
No.
Change out of it.
Careful now.
Cooking with Food is a series that was born out of passion. What started out as a passion project to teach friends the beauty and art of cooking soon became an opportunity to share my recipes, techniques, and ideas with you all. This video is meant to be proof that this passion still lives on and will continue in spite of life's many setbacks and delays. Yes, I've been delayed in more areas than one, but I won't let that stop me from delivering my best. I still have many recipes and ideas I hope to share with you all. I hope you'll continue to tune in and partake in my many shenanigans with me. Cooking with Food is made possible by friends and followers like you. Thank you. This has been a Cooking with Food Consomme update. And remember, the beauty of food lies not in its sustenance for life, but its passion from the heart. Until next time, take care.